Hello everyone and welcome back to Fastback Racing. My name is Jason and today we are unboxing this JADENS portable mini printer. It says Pura page. I don't know. Anyways, so this is the box here. Got that, and then distributed by JADENS. And we got mini printer. Alright, so I got my knife from one of the, I ordered this from Street Speed 717. This is my favorite one. I use this to open a bunch of my packages and everything. I guess I can. So let's go and see what's inside. We got, I guess we can download an app for it, so that's good. And then here's the printer. Show you the top. I think it already has paper in it, so that's good. Yeah. And then let's see what else is in the box. We got, I guess, a charger, adapter, instructions. Oh, gotta bring it down. Let's see. Alright, we got the cord. We'll just put this stuff back in here and move that. So now we just gotta read the the directions and see about setting this up. Okay. P7, page 7 for English. There we go. I'm gonna see if I have, I should have a longer cable. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the longer cable so I can plug this in, and I probably need to go download this app. Yeah, so I'll probably have to go download the app and then get my longer cable. So I will be right back. I'm not gonna let you sit here and not see anybody. So Alright, so I went and got my longer cord, got it plugged in. I guess probably should put the knife back away, and I'm downloading the app. Trying not to. Alright. So let's see if the app's been downloaded. Yep. Okay, so I guess I'll show you the app here. Oops. So it's this little panda one right there by the YouTube studio. I'm just gonna click on that, and there we go. We got that. So Oh, it's the A4 printer. There we go. Connection. Turn on. Okay. Oh, nope. Okay, so I gotta get this thing green. I guess I need to scan this. Let's see. I guess I can do Bluetooth. Ah, there it is. Okay, so we got it connected. I guess it's still charging. I kind of wanted to, so I got it connected. It's still charging, I guess. I wonder if I can print a photo. Let's test this. We gotta. Oops. Let's see if it. That's the print preview. Oh, print. Let's see if it works. Print. Does it not have the paper in it? I thought it had paper in it. Maybe it's still not charging up. Oh, I just disconnected it. Okay, hold on, let me. I think I need to wait until it gets. I'm sorry. So we'll finish this. So this is the unboxing. So while we were waiting for that to charge. Oh. So this is cool. So it just used a roll of thermal paper, and so since we're waiting for that to charge, I did buy 4-pack. So this is JADENS 4-roll quick US document paper. So just take the knife. And we'll just open this up. I'm going to show you cool. We got pens in there. Here's 4. I got 4 of them, so I got refills. So yeah, I think I'm just have to wait for this to get charged, and then I'll be back once I charge it, and we can test it out and see how it works. So I'll be back in a minute. Hello everyone and welcome back. Okay, so we're continuing with the JADENS portable printer. It is now charged. I got it connected. So let's get this thing to print. Oh no, I'm sorry. I should have probably turned that on so I can see, but I went ahead. Okay, so let's get this. Let's see if we can get this to print. Alright, here it comes. Alright, so I printed out the Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. Let me see, how do I... Alright, so there we go, it works, it prints, so that's great. I'm gonna just roll it back up. So that's the unboxing and seeing if it actually works of this JADENS I think it's the A4 portable printer. It's pretty cool. It works. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.